Hi there. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to mark a room as out of order in the property management system. For example, if it's under maintenance or not ready to host guests. Let's get started. First, head over to Settings, then click on Room Setup. Here you'll see a list of rooms organized by floor. The color codes make it easy to understand the status. Blue means the room is currently occupied. Green means the room is vacant and ready, and red shows rooms that are marked as out of order. Now find the room you want to mark as out of order and click on it. This will open a new tab where you can update the room status. From the list of status options, choose out of order. Next, select the date range during which the room should remain out of order. Once you're done, just hit Submit. And that's it. The room has now been marked as out of order. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out. We're always here to support you. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials in the description for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.